everyone, what's up? My name is Vickynicolee and welcome back to this beautiful day. Today's been a little bit of a crazy morning, so that's why I wanted to just come on here and relax a little bit before the insanity continues. Yesterday I had started off doing this look and I tried to do little waves on my eye. Did not turn out the way I expected. So I decided to just come on here and attempt this blueness, and maybe I'll just slap on some body paint, as you know, and start doing some waves. For the 31 days of Halloween, I am doing the elements of the Zodiac. So there's water, fire, earth, and air. This one is the water. I am taking the Morphe M441 brush, and it's not Neptune. I think this is Breakfast at Tiffany's by Morphe. I'm taking Breakfast at Tiffany's with this little brush, and we're just gonna go in. Obviously blend it out. Because since we're talking about zodiacs, I want to know all your signs, all your zodiac signs, as well as all the men you are with, and tell me a little bit about the relationship and how everything is. Is it good? Is it crazy? Like, how are they? Because I've noticed that women and men of a zodiac sign are not completely opposite, but they are very different in how they handle things. A lot of women of the same zodiac signs are very similar. A lot of men of the same zodiac signs are very similar. So I want to know what are your, just tell me your zodiac signs and we can figure out this whole men craziness together. Am I weird? Yes. I love how I answer myself. Well, I mean, you guys can't respond right now, but yes, I am weird, but it's okay because I enjoy my weirdness. Now, so the second brush I used was Morphe M519 and Neptune by Makeup Geek. Now I'm going to take this Makeup Geek foiled eyeshadow brush and Juvias Place, the Masquerade palette by Juvia. It's a mini, I guess it's just mini version. And this color over here, it's Zola. And I'm gonna put that on the lid. I literally love Juvias Place shimmers. They look so beautiful. And literally, I did not cut my crease at all. And voila. It looks like I completely just cut my crease. Now I'm gonna dip it again, but this time, voila. Ooh. That is Fix Plus, MAC Fix Plus, sorry. Make a blend. And then we're gonna take Neptune.